I'm absolutely fascinated by all of the videos. Brilliant. Yeah, I think their production is superb. That's one thing I'm definitely going to have to learn about, because I know absolutely nothing about it. The irony is I actually have a nephew who's a filmmaker. Yeah, a gentleman called Jack Griffiths. Yeah, if you Google him, he's done about 12-20 minute film, something like that. Apparently one or two bits and pieces. Yeah, good film actually, I cried watching it. Very in the vein of Snatch. With a sprinkling of train spotting. Yes, with a sprinkling of train spotting. That was a mad film. I myself was more of a human traffic fan, because I'm a bit of a secret, well, I used to be a bit of a secret Danny Dyer fan. He was a bit of a geezer in all his films, but you know, when you've watched about 30 of them and he does exactly the same, you know, it gets a bit boring, doesn't it? Oh, fucking hell. Well, that's a bit unfortunate. I appear to have a puncture. Oh, you little beastie. Oh well. It's going to be my journey cut short then. Oh well, never mind. Well, that must have just recently happened then. Oh, the joys. Oh dear. Oh well, that was going alright. I think I'm going to have to end this video now with my flat tyre.